Imagine a sea with 7 shades of blue, white sand, and a reggae beat in the air. This is San Andrés and Providencia. But don't let the beauty fool you. These islands can be a trap for your wallet if you don't know the rules. In this updated guide, I'll show you how to navigate the crowds, find the secret spots, and avoid the island tax that locals try to charge tourists. Stick around for the secret reef that most tourists skip. Asterisk before you even land, there is a cost you can't avoid, the tourist card, OCCRE. In this updated version of the islands, you must buy it at the airport in your city of origin. Keep that paper safe. You'll need it to leave the island and to enter Providencia. Don't give papaya by losing it, or you'll have to pay the full price again at the airport. It's an expensive piece of paper, so treat it like your passport. Asterisk most people think San Andrés and Providencia are the same. They couldn't be more different. San Andrés is the busy, commercial brother full of duty-free shops and crowds. Providencia is the quiet, untouched sister, no big hotels, no massive crowds, and pure nature. If you want to party and shop, stay in San Andrés. If you want to disappear from the world, take the flight to Providencia immediately. Asterisk most people think San Andrés and Providencia are the same. They couldn't be more different. San Andrés is the busy, commercial brother full of duty-free shops and crowds. Providencia is the quiet, untouched sister, no big hotels, no massive crowds, and pure nature. If you want to party and shop, stay in San Andrés. If you want to disappear from the world, take the flight to Providencia immediately. Asterisk the best way to see San Andrés is by renting a golf cart or a mule. It's fun, but it's a hotspot for scams. Currently, some renters will blame you for scratches that were already there. Pro tip: take a full video of the vehicle before you drive away, including the tires and the bottom. Negotiate the full day price and clarify if gas is included. Don't give papaya by leaving your ID as a deposit. Asterisk Johnny Cay is the iconic island you see in every photo. It is beautiful, but in this updated guide, I have to be honest, it gets extremely crowded. If you go on a weekend, you'll be shoulder to shoulder with hundreds of people. Go on a weekday and take the first boat at 9 a.m. Also, the waves can be rough, so if you aren't a strong swimmer, be very careful when getting off the boat. Asterisk when you arrive at Johnny Cay or Rocky Cay, waiters will offer you a mixed seafood platter. They often won't tell you the price or will give you a tourist menu. In 2026, some people have been charged $100 for a basic lunch. Always ask for the official menu with prices printed. If they say they don't have one, don't order. There are fixed-price restaurants just 5 minutes away that are much safer. Asterisk Rocky Cay is a tiny island you can actually walk to because the water is so shallow. It's a great experience, but the papaya here is your belongings. People leave their bags on the shore while they walk to the quay. Don't do it. Use the paid lockers or bring a waterproof bag. Thieves watch for tourists who leave their phones and wallets unattended on the beach. Stay smart. Asterisk if you want to snorkel, Westview is the famous spot with the slide and diving board. It's fun, but very touristy. For a more natural and quiet experience, go to La Pisanita. It's currently less crowded and has just as many fish. Bring some bread or fish food, and you'll be surrounded by hundreds of colorful fish in seconds. It's a natural aquarium for a fraction of the cost of a boat tour. Asterisk to get to Providencia, you have 2 choices, a tiny plane or the catamaran. The catamaran is cheaper but can be a nightmare if you get seasick. The Caribbean waves are no joke. The flight is 20 minutes of pure beauty, looking at the reef from above. Currently, flights sell out weeks in advance, so book early. Providencia is the real Caribbean, and the extra effort to get there is 100% worth it. Asterisk in Providencia, you won't find cars, just mules and bikes. The people here speak an English-based Creole, and the vibe is completely different. It's pure, slow, and honest. There are no street vendors harassing you. In this updated guide, I recommend staying in Southwest Bay. It has the best beach on the island and the most authentic food. It's where you go to truly disconnect from the modern world. Asterisk Cayo Cangrejo, Crab Cay, is arguably the most beautiful spot in all of Colombia. It's a tiny rock in the middle of a turquoise lagoon. You have to pay a small entry fee because it's a national park. The hike to the top takes 2 minutes, and the view is life-changing. Snorkeling around the rock is incredible. You can see sea turtles and rays. This is the place where you realize why you traveled this far. For the best view in the Caribbean, hike to the peak in Providencia. It's the highest point on the island. In this updated guide, I recommend doing it at sunrise. You'll need a local guide to find the trail, and it takes about 90 minutes. Standing at the top, looking at the entire sea of 7 colors and the coral reef surrounding the island, is a spiritual experience. Don't forget your water. San Andrés is generally safe, but like any tourist hub, petty theft happens. In the updated city center, be careful with your phone at night. Providencia, on the other hand, is one of the safest places in the world. People leave their keys in their bikes. However, the real danger on both islands is the sun and dehydration. The Caribbean sun at this latitude will burn you in 15 minutes. Use reef-safe sunscreen to protect yourself and the coral. You cannot visit these islands without trying rondon. It's a traditional stew made with fish, conch, coconut milk, yams, and dumplings. It's the soul of the Raizal culture. In Providencia, ask for Dondi de Manacho for the most authentic version. In San Andrés, look for the local fritangas along the road. It's a heavy meal, so plan for a long nap afterwards under a palm tree. Here is the secret I promised. Most tours in San Andrés take you to the same 3 spots. But if you hire a private boat for a few hours, ask them to take you to Bajo Bonito. It's a shallow sandbar in the middle of the ocean with crystal clear water and no people. It's like having a private swimming pool in the Caribbean. This is the ultimate no den papaya move to avoid the crowds. The water looks like a pool, but the currents can be strong, especially near the reefs. In San Andrés, the biggest danger today is the jet skis. Some drivers are reckless and get too close to the swimming areas. Stay inside the buoy lines. If you are snorkeling, always have a bright buoy or stay close to your boat so the jet skis can see you. Safety first in the water. Can you work from the islands? In San Andrés, yes, mostly. In this updated version of the island, hotels have decent Wi-Fi. But in Providencia? Forget it. The internet there is slow and unreliable. It's a place to disconnect, not to join a Zoom call. If you are a digital nomad, finish your work in Medellin or Bogota before flying here. Treat the islands as your off-the-grid reward. Alcohol is cheap in San Andrés because it's tax-free. You'll see people drinking on the beach all day. My advice, be careful with the Coco Loco cocktails. They are delicious but very strong, and the heat makes the effect twice as fast. In Providencia, nightlife is just a cold beer at a beach bar like reggae bar with live music. It's more about the conversation and the stars than the clubbing. San Andrés and Providencia are the most expensive parts of Colombia. For a mid-range stay, plan for about $120 to $150 a day per person. Food, transport, and tours add up quickly. Providencia is even more expensive because everything has to be shipped in. But remember, the best things, like swimming in the 7-colored sea, are free. Just budget for the logistics and don't give papaya with hidden tour fees. The islands are a fragile ecosystem. In this updated guide, I ask you to be a responsible traveler. Don't touch the coral, don't buy jewelry made of turtle shells, and take your trash back to the main island. The Raizal people are proud and welcoming. Respect their culture and they will show you the true heart of the Caribbean. Stay alert, stay hydrated, and enjoy paradise. We've seen the beaches and the jungle, but now it's time to head to the mountains. From the blue of the ocean to the deep green of the mountains. Our next stop is the Eje Cafetero. We are going to the land of the best coffee in the world. The tallest palm trees on earth, and colorful colonial towns. Subscribe, hit the bell, and get ready for a caffeine-filled adventure. And as always, no den papaya.